we're going to do with it. Okay, you guys? Pay attention. Look closely. Also, we're going to get the bowl of pancake mix, okay? And you dip your bacon into the bowl with the pancake mix, okay? Make sure it covers up all of that bacon, okay? You want to dip it all in there. Make sure your bacon is covered with pancake mix, okay? Once you do that, you guys, there you go. Then you're going to pick it up and then put it in the skillet, okay? There we go. And after that, you're going to add some more pancake mix to that bacon, okay? This is how we're going to make the bacon pancakes. All right, so now you just add some more pancake mix on that bacon until you get a pancake shape, okay? That's all you're going to do. Just add more pancake mix and you make that pancake. And this is how we're going to make our bacon pancakes. Okay? All right. So that's one, you guys. All right? Okay, let's make another one. So slide that over a little bit. We're going to make one more. All right? So what I'm doing now is getting my bacon, and I'm going to repeat the same thing that we just did, okay? So you just put your bacon in the bowl and you add your pancake mix, okay? That's all we're doing. Make sure it's fully covered with the pancake mix. All right, you guys. And then we're just going to pick it up and put it in the skillet, okay? And you already know what we're going to do next because we just did it. Just add some more pancake mix and form your pancake, okay? That's all I'm doing right here, okay? Gonna have some delicious bacon pancakes. It's gonna be so delicious. Okay, so we're just gonna put that in the skillet just like that, you guys. And we're gonna let the pancakes cook. And the other one is almost time to flip over. So I will be flipping the first one, okay? Look at that. Don't they look delicious? Perfect. Okay, so we're going to make these pancakes, you guys. All right? Okay, so I'm moving the skillet so that butter can get on the pancake because I want it to taste really buttery also, you guys. All right. So this one is just about ready to take out, okay? So just flip it over a couple times and then I'm going to take it out. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for the other one to cook over there, okay? And I'm just sliding the pancake around in the skillet just so it can collect all the butter. Oh, it tastes so good with the butter taste. Oh my God, I love butter. Okay, you guys. All right, just shake it a little bit and this baby is ready. So we're going to flip this one over, okay? See that? It's going to be so good. And I'm just letting the extra butter come onto that pancake also, so that they both can have this really delicious buttery taste. That's what I'm going for, you guys. Okay, so what I'm basically doing is just letting my pancake cook, flip it over back and forth, and I'm taking that one out, okay? It's ready. So it's time for this one to flip over in just a few minutes, okay? So I'm just going to flip it over a couple times. Make sure it sucks up all that rest of the butter in the skillet so it can be really buttery. Okay, and this should be ready in just a minute, you guys, okay? So it was a fast and quick recipe, you guys, but it's going to be so delicious. All right, and it's going to look very appetizing also, so stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Cook with me, you guys. Come cook with me. I feel good knowing that I have people that might be watching my videos and cooking with me. It makes me happy. So you guys, come cook with me. I love it. If I taught one person how to cook, I'm happy. Even if it's just 1, 2, 3 people that I have taught how to cook, that makes me happy. Okay? So you guys, come cook with me. Let's make a delicious breakfast. Okay, so we're done with that, you guys. Those were the 2 pancakes. Okay, so now you guys, I'm going to show you how to do it with the bacon pieces that I chopped up.